Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Cactus Queen from the Dead West set. She was black and white zenithally primed and gets started with a once over Orc Skin Xpress colour. This is one of those minis where the Xpress colour does a lot of the heavy lifting, as it's pretty much just a single colour mini. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I grabbed Vermillion and brought up the flowers around her neck and on her head. Now to tie everything together, I used a single highlight using a dry brush of dead flesh. This goes over absolutely everything at this point. I do immediately start off though with too much on my brush, but since this is an abomination, there will be blood effects that I can use to hide this mistake. The base, as with all my current Zombicide minis, gets done with Plague Brown. In the artwork, these spines have a purple tint to them, but to push that a little bit further, I gave them a once over with royal purple. For the base, I added some sandy desert texture paste. Finishing off the mini, I added in some zombie gore effects paint. This hides some mistakes and just makes it look like she's been tearing through survivors. And that will be it for the Cactus Queen. She was very quick and easy to get painted up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.